Welcome back, guys. So in our previous lesson we learned about the importance of content writing. So to take us further, we now want to focus on the different types of content writing. I want to go deeper into the details of the different types of content writing that you can expect to come across in your content writing journey. Now, this will also help you to become more diverse in terms of skills. So, the objectives of this lesson is to help you understand the different types of content writing. Then you will also be able to differentiate between the types of content writing. So, the first type of content writing is what we call the blog posts. Now, blog posts are regularly updated articles that can be found on a company website or blog that provides information and education to the reader. So, if an example of a website is a university website, on a university website, you will find blog posts that contain information on different information. For example, you can have a blog post about recent scholarships, recently published research, and so on. So that is in brief about blog posts. Then the next one is an article. An article is an in-depth piece that will cover a specific topic or issue and are typically published on websites or magazines. So an article can be, let's say, an article about starting a blog, or an article about how to cook a specific meal. An article can be how to solve a particular problem. So articles are informational, they can also be educational. Then social media posts, these are short, they are snackable pieces of content that are designed for social media platforms. We are talking about things like Twitter, we are talking about Facebook, or even Instagram. So social media posts are intended to be short. They are not like the articles or product descriptions. They are just short pieces of writing. It can be 2 sentences, it can be 5 sentences, and so on. Then the product descriptions are detailed. That is one thing you need to know, that they are detailed descriptions of products or services, and they provide information that will help customers to make informed buying decisions. So if a product is found on Amazon, let's say it's a healthcare product, maybe it's a lotion, you will find a detailed description on the ingredients of that lotion. You'll also find the information about how to apply that option or lotion, and so on. So that's an example of a description. You can also find descriptions on things like YouTube videos, whereby you are supposed to describe what the video is about and other relevant information. Then we have website content, also another type. Now this can be defined as text and images that make up a company's website. Now when you build a website, you don't want to leave it blank. A website is supposed to communicate information about what the company does, that is about the company, the services, the prices of whatever they are selling, and so on. So the information about the content or a website can be found on the home page, or it can be found on the About Us page, and many other pages that can be found on such a website. So that's how website information, and it can be used as content writing, and it can be updated anytime. For example, we have websites that update their information on a monthly basis, others update the information on annual basis, and so on. Then we have another type called email marketing. Now, email marketing refers to content that is sent to a company's email list. Or for example, a company is involved in affiliate marketing, and maybe they are targeting a good number of people, maybe 1,000 people, and they are promoting their products or services. So an email will be used for building relationships with the potential customers, and they are also used for increasing engagement. They are transmitted from one email to another. Then we have white papers. White papers are long pieces of writing. They are much longer than social media posts. They are much longer than articles. They are much longer than product descriptions. So they provide in-depth information on a specific topic and are used to establish the company as a thought leader in its industry. So for example, an IT industry is creating a product or a new technology. They will write a white paper and publish it somewhere. So anybody who wants to read about a new invention, they will go to that company website and read or download the white paper. Then we have ebooks, are also extended pieces of content that provide information on a specific topic. For example, you can have an ebook on how to start a blog. You can have an ebook about cooking. You can have an ebook about weight loss, and so on. So these are short pieces. They are longer pieces as compared to articles and blog posts. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.